Hi, I'm Charlie Cumbley and I'm the North Sails OK class expert, and today we're going to look at sail controls and how they affect sail shape. So once you've had the boat set up on shore with our previous video, you can now hoist the sail and look for the main factors while sailing. We'll look at upwind sailing setup first. So your four main controls: Mainsheet, and then the Inhaul and Cunningham in the tack area of the sail, and the clue Outhaul. So we'll just quickly run through how each one affects the sail shape. First of all, the Inhaul. Now this is a very localized control, and by increasing the tension on this sail, it acts like a mini Cunningham, pulls the shape forward. By pulling on this sail control, you help create shape towards the luff of the sail. This is great benefit when it's rough conditions or windy, often combined, as it helps to pull the sail shape forward in the sail, as well as flattening the back half of the sail. Overall, it just makes it easier and more forgiving to trim and steer to upwind. Next control we'll look at is the Outhaul. And this controls the depth in the bottom as up to about a third of the way up into the sail. So I'm pulling this on tighter. It can make a vast difference to the shape you'll see in the bottom stripe of your north sail. Likewise, easing it adds a lot of shape and power to the foot of that sail. As soon as you're underpowered, you'll be looking to ease that Outhaul to create depth and power in the bottom of the sail. Likewise, when it's windy, don't be afraid to pull that on hard and flatten out the foot of your sail. The final control we'll look at is the Cunningham, and this is a very powerful tool in the OK. You can see with the 4-to-1 setup that you can have a big effect on sail shape. So this is your final depowering control in the OK, and it's a really good one. So don't be afraid when you're, again, upwind, if you're overpowered, to start pulling this on. And you can see as we pull this on how it will bend the mast and flatten out the head of the sail. Again, this helps to pull all the shape into the front of the sail and straighten the leach, which will reduce drag and make the sail and boat easy to sail upwind in windy conditions. Should probably discuss Traveller. The final control that we'll talk about is our Mainsheet and Traveller, and they work in unison. So the easiest way to gauge your Traveller position, you can of course mark it on the Traveller here, but I prefer to look at the boom position relative to the transom. Here you can see this is about as far inboard or as close to the centre line as you'd ever really want the boom to be. As the wind increases, you're looking to then drop that Traveller until the boom is out over the gunnel. Obviously, if you're overstood at all, or you're looking to go on a fast mode, then you can drop the release the Traveller entirely, but it will lose pointing, so you have to make sure that you use that sparingly. Mainsheet is the simple one. The firmer you sheet upwind, the more the mast bends, the flatter the sail becomes, the tighter the leach of the sail is. So the firmer mainsheet tension you have, the higher your point due to leach tension. Equally, as you ease the sheet, the mast is going to straighten, the sail is going to power up, but you also start to lose your pointing ability. So when it comes to the top mark, it's time to ease everything. So make sure the Cunningham is at the cleat if you pulled it on. Now if you're going on to a run, for any given condition, the only control I adjust along the foot or in the body of the sail is the Inhaul. I simply use that to add shape and depth to the foot of the boat. If you're sailing on a reach, then I would by using the out. But if you're going straight to a run, the fine tune on a OK. On a run, you're looking to have the boom out, plenty of twist so you can sail the boom. Beyond 90 if necessary, to sail by the lee. And then again on the reach, start to firm that up a little bit. You can see on the lee of the sail how that changes when you put it right. And the best way to judge your kick attention on a reach is just watching the top leech telltale. If it stalls, you've got too much bang on, too much kick on. Stalling, just ease it a fraction until it starts flying again. I hope you enjoyed these videos, both onshore setup and on the water with the sail up. If you've got any queries about your North Sail, please give me a call or find me on the website. I can be found on the OK Class site on www.northsails.com. Enjoy sailing, good luck.